Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, this is my dinner for today. And if you notice right here, there's a chunk missing. My daughter did that. And I was like, girl, I just told you to taste it. She took a bite out of it. But anyway, this is a organic salad. I think it's organic spring mixed with some organic avocados, the grape tomatoes. I got some of the free range eggs right here. What else is under there? I got a little cheese. The majority of the stuff that's on here was from Trader Joe's. The fish is wild caught salmon that I got at Kroger, and it's got some organic cucumbers under there as well. And I also have some organic blueberries right here. And I'm just going to put a few on. Not many. Just to make it pretty. Give a little, like I said, just to make it look pretty. And this is my dinner for the day. So I would appreciate it if you guys would stay tuned and go ahead on and watch this video, because I have some dyes from Aliexpress that I want to show you. Okay? Also, I'm going to be using this salad dressing. This is Green Goddess salad dressing from Trader Joe's. So now go ahead on and enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I got a small Aliexpress haul to show you guys. And here they are. These are my newest dyes right here. And let's start out with this one. This one is a kitchen set. I don't know what these little things are. Maybe to act like hooks or something. But it says kitchen, and it has this up here, like a board to hold them. And you got your 4 little kitchen utensils, and like I say, these little nibs right here, which may look like, if you do them right, should look like pegs maybe. So I got that die. This is one of the dies that you use to make the keychains with, but I'm not going to make keychains, even though I do have the things to make the keychains. Where are they? Here they are. Now, I do have these, and I did buy them to make keychains, but for the craft fair, I'm going to try to do something a little different, because I want to add these to some of the planners, or some of the Traveler's Notebook, the single signature ones, and maybe some of the other things. So I'm going to have to come up with something and see what I can do. This is something too that I bought for the craft fair. This makes slits like in paper, and then you use this piece as a reinforcer. So that is what this is right here. Here is another keychain maker, and this is just a round one. This is a pillow box right here, and it has smile right there, and it has some other layering pieces as well. And the last thing are these. These are the months of the year, and it's 12 of them, of course, because there's 12 months in the year. And I got these to work with my planner. Oh yeah, this is for the planner. These are the months of the year. And this right here are the numbers. These are the months of the year right here. I'll just pick up one. This one is, what is this one? This is April. And then I have the numbers, right? 0 through 9. I have these numbers, and I'm going to use these with the December dailies. So I know you guys be like, Tasha, why do you always buy dyes? And then you mention like the craft fair or something. I said I think it was last year, or maybe even the year before that, that these dyes, these things like this are gonna have to start paying for themselves. And for me, when I don't have something else like that in mind, it puts a lot of pressure on me, because I'd be thinking, oh Lord, what if they don't like the video? Then I'm not going to have any subscribers, and then people are going to unsubscribe, and they're not going to like the video, and blah, 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 blah. So I have to do it so that there is another reason for me doing my videos. Now don't get it twisted, I absolutely love doing videos for my subscribers. I love you guys. That's why I always say at the end of each video, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video each and every time. But I have to take some of that mental pressure off by saying, okay, this is what I'm going to do with this one to make some money, you know. And it's not always about making like dollar for real, but I have to do that in order to stay sane. And besides, if I can make an extra dollar here and there selling my craft wares, hey, I don't have any problems with it. Oh, y'all like my cup? I do. Okay, guys, that is it for this quick haul. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.